to prevent the spread of canine distemper virus. We carried out comprehensive disinfection as soon as possible. Emergency testing for canine distemper and antibodies was performed on the furry children. We took timely countermeasures to prevent our furry children from being infected with canine distemper. I also gave Xiao Hei a 5-in-1 serum injection in time. After a few days of observation, Xiao Hei is in good condition. The other fur children did not show any abnormal conditions. I believe that the canine fever virus in our courtyard will soon be over.